Hi, my name is Austin Robinson. I'm with Stantec. We are an engineering consulting firm. I have a civil engineering background, went to U of L, and I'm an ACE mentor. What inspired me to become a leader with the ACE mentorship program? I've always felt the need to kind of inspire others to kind of get into this field. I had several civil engineers talk to me when I was in high school, and that's kind of what led me down this path. So kind of want to give the same back and inform some of the youth of the opportunities that this field has to offer. I think as far as my personal goals and what success looks like being a mentor, I really go back to the end product and making them feel like they have learned something and have taken something away from it. I think that's the big end goal. As far as the project goes, giving it something that they are proud of, that they, I worked on this and that was cool. And a lot of the projects are related to Mercy Academy. They're different expansions or what have you. And so I think the end goal there would be getting them to see the project, what it actually looked like versus what they designed, and see if inspiration was taken from that. I think those are some of the end goals we have. As far as skills go in ACE-related fields, I think creativity is the biggest one. As engineer architects, we're always dealing with problems, and so a lot of times there's not a surefire answer that we can just pull off a piece of paper out of a manual. So got to get creative sometimes. I think that's one of the bigger things. And also just math and science skills. Like we're constantly running calculations, doing different things. So I would say those are probably the biggest skills for ACE-related fields. The biggest piece of advice that I always tell, not just ACE students, but pretty much anyone kind of new to this field or younger, is just to kind of be a sponge, right? You just want to take in as much as you can, ask a lot of questions. Between me and the other mentors, we're always happy to answer questions. Sometimes it's questions we have ourselves, right? We get a question, we're like, oh, well, let me look that up. But yeah, no, I think by being a curious person, by always having that desire to learn, and then also exploring all the options you have career-wise, I think that is some of the most important advice I could give.